Today we're going to talk about the letters B and T. B is for our friend Bubba Bear. His letter makes the sound B, B, B. T is for Timmy Tiger. His letter makes the sound T, T, T. I have some pictures, and we're going to decide if these pictures belong with B, B, Bubba Bear, or T, T, Tiger, Timmy Tiger. You ready? Here we go. So, the first one I pick, do you know what that is? B, B, balloon. Does it go with B, B, Bubba Bear, or T, T, Tiggy Tiger? Did you say B, B, Bubba? I think you're right. Listen. B, B, Bubba, B, B, balloon. Very good. Okay, let's pick another one. This one's easy. Did you see what I picked? Tiger. T, T, tiger. Does it go with B, B, Bubba, or T, T, Timmy? T, T, Timmy. T, T, tiger goes with Timmy, right? Tiger and tiger. Of course they match. Let's try another one. Ooh. I picked, that's right, a banana. B, B, banana. Does it go with T, T, tiger? Is it a T, T, tanana? Ah, that doesn't sound right. Or a B, B, banana. Banana goes with B and Bubba Bear. It starts with that letter B. Ooh, do you know what that is? We use these to eat. A tooth, you're right. Tooth, T, T, tooth. Does that go with B? Is it a B, B, booth? Or T, T, tooth, like T, T, Timmy Tiger? You're right, it starts with T. Ooh, you know what that one is? We could call it a cowboy boot, but today we're just going to call it a B, B, boot. Is it a B, B, boot, or a T, T, toot? Nope, not a toot. It's a B, B, boot for Bubba Bear. Let's try another one. Ooh, do you know what that is? Men usually wear them when they wear suits. It's a tie, yeah. T, t, tie. Does it start with B, B, B? Is it a B, B, buy? Or a T, T, tie? You're right, T, T, tie. Let's try another one. Uh-oh. You know what that is? T, t, tape. Is it B, B, bape, or T, T, tape? Timmy Tiger's T, 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 tape. Let's scoot those over and make some room for our tape. One more. Ooh. What is that? B, B, bee. A bee. Could even call it a bumblebee. Let's try it. Does it go with Bubba Bear and B, B, bee? Or does it go with Timmy Tiger and T, T, T? Is it a T or a B? You're right. It's B, B, B. We're doing pretty good. Let's see if we can try some more. Ooh, you know what that is? It's a tomato. Do you like tomatoes? We use tomatoes to make ketchup. Lots of people like ketchup. Let's try it with our letters. Tomato. Tomato start with B. Is it a B, B, tomato or a tomato? Timmy Tiger's T, tomato. Let's try another one. Ooh, bed. I know you know that one, right? Looks so cozy. And let's try it with Bubba Bear. Bed or Ted with Timmy Tiger. Bed. Yes, you're right. Do you know what that is? Yep, a tent. We use tents when we go camping. Let's try it with our B sound. Is it a bent or a tent? Goes with the T sound for tent. Oh, this one's cute. Bird. You're right. Bird. Does it go with Bubba Bear? Bird? Or is it Tiggy Tiger? Turd. Nope. Bird, right? B for bird. Oh my goodness. Look, they're tied. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom and 1, 2 on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom. 1, 2 on the top. Oh, let's see what's next. Hey, do you know what kind of bird that is? It's not a chicken. It goes gobble, 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 and it's a turkey. Let's try it with Bubba Bear's B. Is it Berkey? No. Is it turkey? It is. Ooh. Now Timmy Tiger's got more than Bubba Bear. I see he needs one more right here. Let's give it a try. Oh, do you know what that is? It rings. It makes a beautiful ringing sound. It is a bell. Yeah, a bell. Bell. Do you hear that beginning sound? Does it sound like Bubba Bear's B? Bell? Or Timmy Tiger's T? Tell. Is it a tell or a bell? You're right. It's a bell. B. Let's see what's next. Oh, it's a number. Do you know that number? It's the one that comes after 1. 2. That's the number 2. Does it start with the sound of B like Bubba Bear? Is it a boo? Or a two like Timmy Tiger's T? 2, right? Oh my goodness. All right. We have room for one more, friends. Let's see. Ooh. A box. Box. Does box start with B, like Bubba Bear, or T, like Timmy Tiger? Let's try their sounds. Box. B. Tox. T. Is it a tox or a box? It's a box, so it goes with Bubba Bear. Thanks for helping me sort the sounds today. You guys are awesome.